Hello friends, let's begin with laminated object manufacturing, that is LOM process. This is a solid sheet process which are going to study like advantages, disadvantages of process, LOM process, how it's actually working, and this is one of the best rapid prototyping process. So let's begin. Laminated object manufacturing was developed by Helicis of Torrance, CA in 90s, where Helicis went out for business in 2000 and their LOM equipment is now serviced by Cubic Technologies. As shown in this figure, how actually this technology is used. These are the different types of application as shown in this figure. While current market leaders are Macor Technologies in Ireland, Solido in Israel, then Strata Conception in France, Kira Corporation in Japan. So Macor Technology Matrix 300 Plus uses A4 paper and water-based adhesives for making or for making a 3D printing parts. You are using LOM process. Laminated object manufacturing. Let's go to the principle first. The parts are built layer by layer by laminating each layer of paper or other sheet from materials, and the contour of the part on the layer is cut by a CO2 laser. So it's a solid sheet system. So here we are using paper. Each layer of building process contains a cross section of one or many parts. The next layer is then laminated and built directly on the top of the laser cut layer. The Z control is activated by elevation platform which lowers when each layer is completed and the next layer is then laminated and ready for cutting process. No additional support structures are necessary, as the excess material which are cross-hatched for a later removal act as a support. Pre-processing. Generating an image from the CAD-derived STL file of the part to be manufactured, sorting input data, and creating secondary data structure. The LOM system software calculates and controls the slicing function. Orienting and merging of the part on the LOM system are done manually. LOM slice provide a menu-driven interface to perform transformation, for example, translation, scaling, mirroring, as well as merges. Building. LOM slice creates a cross-section of 3D model measuring the exact height of the model and slices the horizontal plane accordingly. The software then images cross hatches which define the outer perimeter and convert these excess materials into support structure. The computer generates precise calculations which guide the focused laser beam to cut the cross-sectional outline, the cross hatches, and the model's perimeter. The laser beam cuts the thickness of one layer of the material at a time. After a perimeter is burned, the model's boundary is freed from the remaining sheet, and the platform with the stack of previously formed layers descends and a new section of a material advances. The platform ascends and heated roller laminates the material to stack with a single reciprocal motion, thereby bonding it to the previous layer. The vertical encoder measures the height of the stack and relays the new height to LOM slice. This sequence continues until the layers are built. Laminated manufacturing process. Here you observe that there is a one mirror. Using that mirror, the laser will be having a moving optics head, and that moving optics head is well managed to create a cross hatches on the paper through laser. So how it is actually performing, if you observe clearly, it's the same like a selective laser sintering process. But in selective laser sintering, you observe there is a powder, while in laminated object manufacturing, you will observe there are the sheet. So there is a sheet roll which is on right hand side that is having a heated roller to press every layer on the particular build platform that is shown in the figure. Here also that build platform is moving downward direction as layer by layer continues to upward direction, and it is a layer control will be fining. So if you observe properly, that heated roll just press the worksheet on the for forming the new layer, while the laser and mirror and moving optics head will create that particular model on paper cutting through paper cutting. While the hatches you have shown, that is a those hatches where the cavities are there, okay, or the outer boundary is there. So layer contour is easy to visible, and this sheet is continuously rolling sheet. So every time the cutted part will be come to the left hand side, and it is again rolled, while right hand side a clean sheet will be come on the upper layer, and again hatches will be done. So fine layer of objects we can made through laminated object manufacturing process. The post processing includes the separating the part from the support material and finishing it. The separation sequence is as follows: the metal platform home to newly created part is removed from the LOM machine. A hammer and putty knife are all that is required to separate the LOM block from the platform. The surrounding wall frame is fitted off the block to expose the cross-hatched pieces of the excess material. Cross-hatched pieces may then separated from the part using a wood carving tool like shown in this figure. So how wood carving tools we can remove the excess material or which are the formed during the LM process or which are formed as a support material. So the laminated stack is removed from the machine's elevator plate and first case. In second case, if you observe the surrounding walls are lifted off the object to expose the cubes of excess material. Then the cubes are easily separated from the object surface as shown in figure C, while in figure D, the object surface can be sanded, polished, painted as desired. So key matrices, if you observe that it's 14 inch by 14 inch by 20 inch maximum build size is observed in LOM, but there are different sizes also available as like FDM and different other techniques where resolution is plus or minus 0.004 inch. Resolution in Z direction can be variable, while speed will be medium and cost will be low. Available materials are paper, plastic sheet, where key application areas are pattern making, decorative objects, visualization, form, fit, and function to the particular design of manufacturing purpose, manufacturing of particular component through LOM process directly to use, then rapid tooling purpose also it is used. Advantages: the relatively high speed process, then low cost, readily available materials are there, large builds possible, no chemical reaction, parts can be used immediately after the process, no need for post curing, no additional support structure is required as the part is self supported through paper only. Disadvantages: removal of the scrap material is laborious. The Z resolution is not as high as for the other technologies as it is a variable. Then limited material set is available. need for sealing steps to keep moisture out. Thank you so much. Hope you understand.